I'm Austin Bardo. I drive the 730 E36. I'm trying to get my Pro 2 license this year, so this is my practice car. We picked this up on the way home from IMI when my 240 took a shit, so I'm going to show you how to turbo one of these things in less than a week. These are really easy to do, so I'm putting all my old turbo stuff off my yellow car. It's going on here because that's getting all new stuff, so yeah, goal is to make 350, 400 wheel out of it and just have fun with it. Are you still rolling?
G2G, now I'm rolling.
You're rolling what?
Rolling on.
Ecstasy?
I mean, you got some?
Dude, I don't do that shit. Alright, hold on.
Wait. Or is it E36, like Ecstasy 36?
I don't know anything about drugs.
That was the most dumbest thing I've said in a while.
For anybody who owns a BMW or E36 or anything like that, they come with these radiator clips. Nobody knows how to get them off correctly. Usually people break them or they just can't get them off. So they usually just wire tire everything like this car was. Really easy. You put it in here like this, hear it clipping. So it's hard to get to go. There, and you just push that down like that. These come off, bam, just like that.
Yeah, it keeps talking on my one. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is how you take off the front lip of a BMW OEM specification. Just drop it on the ground.
Pulling off the exhaust header nuts so I can get this turbo mounted on. So this one, I gotta.
Yeah, something like that.
Oh, shut up.
Getting
Who? You don't like that song? Isn't that song like a real one? Alright, so I got the hot side on. There's like 4 or 5 studs and bolts you can't get in there with the CX Racing manifold, so it's gonna have to be like that. Now I'm gonna get working on the cold side. I gotta pull the fuel rail off, put the injectors in. I gotta pull the manifold off. Well, I might not have to pull the manifold off. I'll have to look under there and see what's under there. I might have to reroute some lines so they don't pressurize the wrong thing. Yeah. So I knew this was going to be an issue because it did have a check engine light, and it's OBD2 with an OBD1 M50 S50 manifold, intake manifold on it. A lot of people don't know this, but the air intake temperatures sensors are different. This is an OBD1 out of the S50 or M50. This is an actual custom-made OBD2 version that goes into a OBD1 intake manifold. They read different, I don't know really what you call it, but they just read different temperatures and such. So yeah, now I gotta put this one in there. Took this one out. It should run and drive just fine now. It did have a check engine light before, and I'm suspect that it's this. All right, so we took the intake manifold off this thing. Here is the new one that's put in. Obviously this one won't fit in here. This is for the OBD1 or 2 computer system, but this is an OBD1 manifold, so I couldn't get this one screwed in while the intake manifold was on. Usually I can, but it was just a little tight. So we took that off. Now we're gonna put this back on and then put the injectors back in. Well, we're gonna put in some Simmons 1200 cc injectors that CliqTuning supplies. We have some 1200 cc injectors from Simmons that we're gonna put in here. These come with the kit from Arcade. These are the stock clips for the BMW injectors, and you need to use these or else these injectors will come flying out under boost. So we're gonna put these in here. We're gonna work. These fit really tight. You gotta be careful not to pinch the O-rings. That's usually a bad time, then they start leaking. These have 2 adapters on it. One right here. This is how it gets the correct length. And one up here. These injectors are actually this big. These are just an extension to work with this car. My first Turbo M3 actually caught fire because I didn't put these on here. So don't be like me. Yeah, eBay turbo kits along with that. There we go. Alright, so we had kind of a little issue with the coronavirus bullshit, so it's outside now. But we're gonna start it. We got the whole front end put back together, the intercooler in it. The Precision 6262. That was on my yellow car on it. All the intercooler pipe hooked up. You didn't really miss much. Got the wideband hooked up. You always need one of those. So let's see if it starts.
Is this the end?
The end of all ends.